Are you going to keep doing it?
Yeah, it's what's paying for my podcast right now. My podcast, just like what you experienced, Sergio, here in LA is kind of at the whim of the guest. So if the guest says 2:00 in Granada Hills, then my ass is in Granada Hills at 2:00. And now with ride sharing, that means I can get back on the road in the valley at 3:30 or whatever it is, and I can work. I don't have to ask some guy for permission, to have half of the day off. So I love that flexibility. I just wish that Uber would respect veteran drivers. And here's another idea for you, Dara, where everyone could win. We all have favorite passengers and they have favorite drivers.
Yeah.
If I got you, Sergio, as a driver and I liked you, I would maybe in the middle of the ride. Oh my God. Is Sergio one of your favorite drivers? Yes. So now the next time that I go on as a customer, it says, okay, your nearest driver is 5 minutes away, but Sergio is 7 minutes away. Would you pay $4 more for Sergio for this trip?
Another good idea.
They would say yes, and split that $2 with Uber. So now Uber makes $2 that they don't even deserve because you earned it all.
Wow.
And the passenger is happier and the ride's going to be better. And I bet you that passenger
tip is going to,
I bet you they tip. So, but everybody's happy. I mean, am I Mary Poppins here? Like, doesn't that seem like what a technology company would do? And if I have a list after a while of 20 great drivers that I have on my list, let's hope that they're all still driving after a year. Yeah. Odds are that they're not, but whatever. Then Uber is making $2 additional all the time with these drivers, and the drivers are happier.
But if you look at the bigger picture, I think Uber has a much bigger picture in mind, as opposed to individual snippets of drivers here and there, right? Yes. Look, Tony, the system is immense. Yeah. Last 3 months, last quarter, they did 1.87 billion with a B rides.
Yeah. So
on all this stuff, right?
Yeah.
I think the best thing that they could do is, and look, we did studies actually on the RideShare Guy, right? So in every city, and this is a given, this is not that I'm doing food delivery, this is pretty evident now. So in any given city, there's 1,000 drivers, right? Mm-hmm. And just like in any other business on the planet, honestly, there's going to be a group that excels at what they do, which is 5%, 5% maybe, right?
Yes.
There's going to be a group that absolutely sucks at what they do, which is another 5% on the bottom, right? And all the middle is going to fall somewhere. So obviously there is a reason why that guy sucks, right? And there's a reason why this guy excels. So in that big group in the middle, I think everybody can incrementally improve themselves to the, not to the top 5%, but if you're driving 40 hours a week, okay, full time, let's say, and if you can improve your earnings by doing certain things, just $5 an hour, not great numbers, right?
Yeah.
Guess what? How much money that is? That's $200 a week. That's $800 a month. That's $10,000 a year. You're still doing the same driving for 40 hours. So my thing is educate. Why not improve everybody, right? Yes. And the only way you can do that is if we come together, and say, okay, we have the power. Yes, not everybody's going to be excelling. Not everybody's going to be sucking. But that middle group, we can move that middle group up, which is the majority of the, that's why I'm doing this, honestly, because I think it's very doable. It really is.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.